Interesting to hear that you started off sort of self-teaching and then decided to move to a boot camp. Was there anything in particular that, led you to want some more in-person training?
Yeah, it was time more than anything.
Okay.
Like the life of if you know anyone who's a teacher, they are exhausted all the time.
Yeah.
So teaching and then doing gigs on the side, so a couple of evenings a week and a Saturday travelling wherever, and then you think I need to find time to study on top. I'm working towards that job, and I interviewed for a few jobs as well, and didn't quite make the cut, and it's like, what do I need to do? And that's commit 100%. So I decided I'm going to quit my job. And if you know many teachers, you might know that the money they're on's not great. Yeah, it's quite a scary decision coming from that and going, right, I'm going to quit my job. I have to believe in myself and hopefully land something before it runs out and I have to call my mum. So I just made that decision. I was like, I have to commit to this now. I've done so much work. I've got to final rounds of interviews, but I don't quite have it yet.